and welcome to the Engerati studio. It's European Utility Week 2016, and I'm joined today by Patrick Berg. Patrick is a project manager at TU University of Dortmund, working with the Smart City Dortmund project. Thanks for being with us, I really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
So I understand that this Smart City project is quite a unique project. So instead of just being like a technology project or an academic project, you've actually managed to align the utility in Dortmund, the academic institution that you're with, and also private industry interests.
Yeah,
so
right.
Can you tell me, how does that work? That sounds hard, but it also sounds like a really good idea.
Yes, the main aspect of being a smart city is to have a very strong consortium out of several partners. So if you have this consortium, you have to build projects, and after it, you have to connect all these projects to being smart. So, and it's so unique because we are doing the smart project together with some connected countries, Spain and France as well, with the city of Amiens and the city of Santander. And now we are on a new state of the art to bring it to the world.
All right, so that's interesting. So your Smart City project is informed by partnerships or relationships with other smart cities, or are they also working?
Yes, in our first step, we try to get the funding of the Commission for the Smart Cities and Community call in Dortmund.
Okay.
And we were the head of this call, and we wrote a proposal about 150 pages. And we didn't get the funding, and now we are trying to be smart as the city of Dortmund.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now you're leading with this Smart City Dortmund sort of project, so is what it sounds like. I'm wondering, since you've been working on this now quite a while, so you went through that first cycle, I'm sure you learned quite a bit during that, and now you're working on refining things. Explain to me, if you can, what are your goals? Are they the same as they've always been, or are you improving them? And what kind of, so let's talk about the goals, and then I would like to talk about what kind of outcomes you're hoping to get.
Yes, so our goals are a more efficient life. Mm-hmm. So not more efficient in just in energy cases, more efficient in to have less pollution, to have, I don't know, maybe a safer life, and the data security must increase, and I think we're living in a world where we want to get everything a bit faster. Mm-hmm. So maybe it's part of it to have a fast life. So, and the main aspect, the main aim, the main goal is to be efficient, to have less pollution, and to reduce the energy use, and something like this.
So you want to kind of reduce friction in people's lives, make it easier for them to be conservation conscious, not maybe from a consumer perspective, but to basically build in efficiencies wherever you can.
Okay.
And is that correct, that you're looking at livability issues as why you want to smarten your city? Is that a good characterization?
I don't know exactly.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about how you're thinking about the citizens.
The citizens, yes. The citizens is a really big point and a main aspect of it, because without to integrate the citizens in this project, it will not work. Because we are trying to connect every part of our daily life, and we need the integration of citizens in this project. So without it, it will not work.
So do you have any plans yet? Maybe this is too early to ask you, but do you have any plans yet about how you are going to bring in the needs of the citizens? Will you have community meetings?
Yes, we want to build up a community where people can connect each other, and not like Facebook or something like that, but in the municipality to have strong connections between the citizens, and that our citizens maybe, just for example, able to help each other in fire cases or something like that, to give the citizens the help to react faster.
Okay.
That's just maybe one aspect of our project.
So I think when you were talking about Facebook, I think the point maybe you were trying to make is that your social media, you're not leading with social media, but you, even if that was a part of it at some point, you're actually leading with
Yes.
with really bringing us together in a physical world.
Yes, right. Just this social media to help us to connect in the real life. That's the aspect.
Okay, so that's sort of reflects what is unique about your project, which it has almost like a regional feel to it, an alignment of where you have the utility, the academic interest, the private industry. So we've talked a little bit about the citizens, but tell me, what do you think is the return to the citizens?
The return to the citizens is a better life, a more efficient life, more efficient in the way of the use of energy, and this leads to less pollution, and so we will be a more clean city, and we will, this leads to maybe a safer life, our ways of communication and I don't know, transport maybe and mobility will get faster and shorter and more efficient. And I think this efficient point is the main aspect of it, to have a better life with less pollution and in a safe way.
Okay, so that's a low carbon outcome. That's what you're going to be measuring.
Right.
So if I remember correctly, Ban Ki-moon said that about energy being sort of like the golden thread. I'm not quoting him nearly well at all, but it sounds to me like in your smart city vision, there's a lot that goes into making a city more efficient.
Yeah.
But the energy piece is really the core focus of your work. Is that right? Is that fair?
The energy core point is one of the core points, yeah, right. But it's not the main aspect. The main aspect of a smart city is the connection between all aspects.
Okay, so through people, but also through sensors and systems.
Sensor systems for maybe parking spaces or in a dense pollution, in a dense, in a dense city to have the system where we can find in a really nice way maybe parking slots in a fast way, not to drive around 10 times.
Right.
And just take a look at my app and I know, okay, there's a parking lot.
Okay, great. So that's I get it.
Sensoric monitoring and so on. So the data aspect, I think, is the main aspect of it.
All right. It sounds like Smart City Dortmund is looking at creating a platform.
Right.
But
yeah. Right.
Smart City Dortmund really is a technology platform.
Yes.
And that's the return is a safer, lower carbon, more efficient, less stressful life for the citizens. I really appreciate it, Patrick. It's been nice to talk to you and hear about your project. It's really unique. I really think being able to bring together the academic interest, the theory, the utility, private industry, it's really, really important as we look at the energy revolution and the cultural and societal impacts as well.
That's
So this is Carol from the Engerati studio. Thanks so much.